Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about pandas. And today, what we're going to be talking about is how to data cleaning. You know what I mean by data cleaning. So, how do we clean the data basically? That's what we're learning today. Okay? First, let's import pandas as PD. Also, if you don't know what data cleaning is, then I'll tell you. Data cleaning is, for example, right here. Let's say, you have a data. Let's say one, two, and there's an empty value here, so we're just gonna put none and three. Okay? So this is our data right now. Now, this is one way of data cleaning. Okay? But there's also many ways of other data cleaning too. Like you clean out all these numbers and stuff. Okay? Okay, so next. That's what this data cleaning that we're learning today means basically. So, first, what we're going to be learning is the first way of data cleaning and just putting none values. So let's say data, oh, dang, the data equals to, so we'll put the names. Okay. And then we'll put a value none. And then has to be capital. Capital. Okay. And we'll put another none value here. Good. Next, we're gonna put age. Age equals to 10. None. None. So it's unknown. We don't know what it is yet. And 20. Okay? So then after that is the grades. So, okay. A, B, none, none. Okay, done. We're done with the data frame. Now, all we have to do is a df equals to pd dot data frame. I forgot to make the D capital. Data, right? And then print df. Okay, now when we run it, right here should work. Yeah, there it is. So see, it's replacing it with the none values. And nan, don't get confused, that means none. That's only when there's an integer, it puts nan. Okay, but nan also, it means none, basically. So don't get confused with that. Anyways, on to the next one. That's the first way of how to do it. But here's the second way of cleaning this data. So let's comment this. Actually, uncomment. Wait, uncomment. Yeah, good. Next way of cleaning is to fill it with isno. Isno means like true or false, basically. And that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay? So basically for Isna, all we have to do is wait, print df. I'll just print df dot is no. It's that simple. So the values with none, it's gonna put it as true because because those values have nothing in it. Like you see here what I mean by that? See? It shows it right there. It shows right there as you can see. Right? The true values are the ones with the none values, and the false values are the ones that have the actual value. Okay? Next. Next, the other way of data cleaning, this is number 3, is to drop the things. So for example, if one value doesn't have none, right? And then that row is the only one that's gonna be showing. Like you see what I mean. Okay. Yes. Now I remember it. df dot drop equals to df dot drop na. Then in that, put this a name and here we put unknown. So unknown basically, unknown. So the values that are replaced, so drop now basically, what this does is, my bad, this is basically drop now basically does this. Okay, drop now basically if there's one row that doesn't have any value that says none, right, then the rest will drop and that won't. That's the only one that's gonna show. So it's gonna show the first row after age 10 grade A. Okay, see right there, as you can see that. Now is the last one, Filna. Filna basically, it replaces the data with the none values, like unknown and all. So that's what we're gonna do. df df and drop equals to df dot Filna, right? Name is unknown actually. Unknown. And then age is 0 and grade is unknown. We can just say so, copy it. Okay. Now all we gotta do is just print d df underscore drop one. Done. So you see, it's placing the non-value with unknown and the age with 0 and the grade with unknown too. So these are three ways of, no, actually, these are one, two, four ways of data cleaning, of how to clean this data, right? So thank everyone for listening to my video. Okay? I hope you like it, and bye. 6